Morning, children. Today we are here to look at the final edition of the videos on print culture and the modern world. And this is Miss Khyati Dwarkadas presenting the final episode of Print Culture and the Modern World. Now, today, before you begin, I remember in the last video you were told to revise the entire chapter. You were also told that you will be in for a surprise in one of the next few videos, and fortunately for you, the surprise is today. Now, what you have to do, simply keep your notebook and pen handy. These are two things that you will need. Keep it open, okay? Keep the notebook open, your regular pen ready. And when you have the notebook and the pen ready, you will simply note down whatever I ask you to. So today it's going to be almost like a live class, but a video. So in case if you are not watching it while I am doing it with you, you may watch it later. So here we go and be prepared. Great. So while we are here, what I am going to do is I'm going to spin this wheel. It's a random spinning wheel and we've created it specially for you. Wherever the wheel stops will be a question, and whichever the question comes, you will write its heading and one line about it. So each time I will guide you to what is expected. Are you ready? Let's begin. The question is Diamond Sutra. What is the Diamond Sutra? And I've moved it out of the wheel. What is the Diamond Sutra? Be honest. And here's the next question. What are penny chap books? What are penny chap books? What are penny chap books? I hope you are writing the answers in the notebook. Why were the ulamas important? Why were the ulamas important? Who wrote Gulamgiri? Who wrote Gulamgiri? Name the author of Kesari. Name the author of Kesari. In which languages were manuscripts written? In which languages were manuscripts written? Who was Thomas Wood? Who was Thomas Wood? For those of you who've never heard the name before, I'll give you a hint. This is a little twisty question. In the textbook, on a right-hand page, in a box at the bottom of the right-hand page, there is a description about Thomas Wood. So maybe if not now and you think you want to know about Thomas Wood, feel free to open the textbook. Who was Richard M. Hoe? Who was Richard M. Hoe? At any point in time, children, if you do not know the answer, copy the question and leave 2 lines. Maybe you can get back to it when you feel free or when you have the mood of revising or when you want to go back to this video again. What is calligraphy? What is calligraphy? Who was Menocchio? Who was Menocchio? So besides telling me that he was the son of a miller, you need to tell me something about his contribution to print. That's what we are looking for in this question. Who authored Sambad Kaumudi? Who authored Sambad Kaumudi? Who was James Augustus Hickey? Who was James Augustus Hickey? Hickey. Who started woodblock printing? Who started woodblock printing? This question we have done, so I'm going to remove it. This is also done. Remove. Woodblock printing is done. Remove. Name. Okay, who was Raja Ravi Varma? Who was Raja Ravi Varma? And name one of his famous work. If you now go to C, you're left with only 3 questions. State 3 disadvantages of manuscripts. State 3 disadvantages of manuscripts. Explain the Vernacular Press Act. Explain the Vernacular Press Act. And the only question that is feeling sad, what was the Protestant Reformation? The yellow one. What was the Protestant Reformation? Who started it? What was the Protestant Reformation? Who started it? So class, I hope you enjoyed today's little quiz. If you did, do express your liking either in the video or in the chat box that we have in class, and do share constructive feedback on the creativity and innovativeness of this video if you feel like. So hoping you've had a wonderful time and looking forward to seeing you in another class. Let me take a break today and say goodbye until we meet again. Thank you and have a nice day.